Hello beautiful blockchain people. Today let's analyze the price chart of Ethereum Classic that is currently trading at the level of $37.83. So this is the monthly chart. We're to some extent very familiar with the price chart of Ethereum Classic in the different time frames. So let me remind you that in the first half of 2021 or of the previous year, the price skyrocketed. It hit almost $180 or $190 in the different crypto exchanges. However, then many people started booking profit, and this candlestick in May formed a very tall upper shadow. So we talk about this many times. So that was a clear signal at that time that many people were exiting the market. We've been talking, we were talking about this throughout the month of May. After that, a correction started, and this is how it looks like actually. Since November, we had a sequence here of bearish candlesticks with descending maximums and descending minimums. Of course, before that, the correction was not a typical correction, because we could say that it was a kind of consolidation. And then this correction took place, or the price exited in the downward direction, this consolidation. However, earlier this year in February, the price rebounded, and now we had a sequence of these bullish candlesticks. At the moment, the candlestick for April is a bearish one, but it still has a local low above the previous one, so it is a signal that the market is taking a break or is starting to consolidate. So in the monthly chart, we once again, let's make a conclusion. The price is rebounding, but at the moment we're in this rebound, the price is taking a break. I don't want to say that it is a bearish signal, but the market is just taking a break. Now let's have a look at the weekly chart. Okay, this is the weekly chart. This is how the price chart looks like. We're very familiar with the price chart. Let me remind you that here we had a double bottom, then we had a double top, and after this double top, the price started declining. Now we have a double bottom as well. So we have a bottom here, we have a bottom here. So probably this is the end of this correction. So let's say we had a correction here in the weekly chart, and then a double bottom formed, and now the price is rebounding. I would like to say that the key support at the moment is the local high between the two bottoms. So this is the key support. Let me change the style of this line, and if the price receives enough support at this line or at this level, and it rebounds and surpasses the previous local high, so this will be a bullish signal. So if we assume that something like this will happen here, once the price surpasses the last local high, we will receive a buy signal. So this is what I wanted to highlight. Of course, according to the candlesticks, weekly candlesticks, we had a solid bullish candlestick here, followed by a long leg dodge at the top of this rebound, and now the price is declining. So we have a sequence here of lower highs and lower lows. That's why we have to be very cautious. This is a signal that at the moment we still don't have a candlestick pointing to a potential bottom. The correction is taking place. That's why we have to be really very cautious. Of course, if in the weekly chart the price drops below this key support line, then it will start challenging these two local lows, and we have to be in this case very cautious. And definitely, if the price breaks through this line, the buy signal won't occur. So this is what I wanted to highlight in the weekly chart. Now let's get back to the candlestick chart and check the daily chart. Okay, this is the daily chart. We have three moving averages that are heading sideways. So this is a clear signal that probably the market is starting some kind of consolidation. But let me start step by step. This is the 30-day moving average. Since the middle of November, the price has been mainly below the 30-day moving average. Of course, here in February, for a couple of weeks, the price was above the 30-day moving average. Also in the second half of March, the price skyrocketed and surpassed significantly the 30-day moving average, but now we're below the 30-day moving average. But I would say that the worst is probably over, because now we have these ups and downs, and the price is simply consolidating at the 30-day moving average. If we are at the 90-day moving average, I would like to highlight, or this is the moving average for the period of 1 quarter or 3 months. The price has been mainly below this moving average since the beginning of October. However, in March, the price surpassed this moving average. A bullish moving average crossover took place. The 30-day moving average surpassed the 90-day moving average, and now we're between these two moving averages. So I would say that the 30-day moving average, I would say that the 3-month moving average is the key support at the moment for the price of Ethereum Classic. Moreover, this is exactly this local high that is between the double bottom or the support line that we had in the weekly chart. So let me change the visibility and let's switch to the weekly chart, and we will see that this moving average, the 3-month moving average or 1 quarter moving average, is exactly at the level of this support line that I highlighted in the linear chart, that is between the double bottom. So fellas, this is a very important moment, let's say, for the price chart of Ethereum Classic. However, if we add the 1-year moving average, the price dropped for the very first time in December below this moving average. I mean, we're in the bull market. Now, during this rebound, the price tested this moving average. However, it was not able to surpass it, and instead the price started declining. So this is some kind of magnet. It attracts the price, but also it serves as resistance at the moment. And I want to say that probably these 3 moving averages will start heading sideways. So we will have some kind of broad consolidation in the near future. But I would become very bullish on the price chart of Ethereum Classic only if the price surpasses all 3 moving averages. So if the price surpasses all these 3 moving averages and we have this bullish distribution where the 30-day moving average is at the top, in the middle is the 1 quarter moving average, and the 1-year moving average is at the bottom, only in this case I will say that yes, now we have a clear uptrend. It's time to enter the market, and it will be a more reliable, let's say, holding a long position. At the moment, the price is just fluctuating between all these 3 moving averages. So probably the most likely scenario in the near future is some kind of broad consolidation that will be quite chaotical. And if we check the 4-hour chart, this is how the 4-hour chart looks like. I don't want to say that we have something really very bullish or bearish here. Definitely, if we switch to a linear chart, we can see this sequence of descending local highs here, or even I would say that we had some kind of descending narrowing wedge or descending channel or downtrend, and now the price is trying to exit this downtrend. Definitely this local high is above this one, so now we're at the support. So this is the double, so let's say that this is the double bottom. So let me draw some kind of double bottom here. So this is the support line. Let's wait and see what happens from here, because first of all, we're at the upper line of the descending channel. We're also at the key support line that is based on the double bottom. So if the price starts increasing from here, then we will receive sooner or later, once the price surpasses this local high, a buy signal. So that's it for today, fellas. Of course, if the price drops below this key support level and gets back into the channel, then the bullish potential signal will disappear and we will have this bearish signal. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching this video about Ethereum, about the price chart of Ethereum Classic. Please share your point of view as a comment below. Of course, I wish you a very wonderful day. Good luck in the financial markets, and I hope to see you in the next one. Thank you for watching.